Hello friends, today I'll show you how to center text on HTML. Alright, so if you want to center this text, so how you can apply. Alright, so this is the left side. By default alignment will left. Alright, so now if you want to center, then you can write just center tag. Then you can see again this alignment is working now. Okay, but also you can use another method, like if I remove just center tag and just use h1 tag, then you can see it is the not center. But if you want to center, then you can use the another method. Just use the CSS code like h1. This is the selector. Then you can type this property like text align center. Now we can reload here. This alignment center now is the easy. So thank you for watching video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. And if you want to code this code, I will share on video description. You can see my code. Thank you. Bye bye.